Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Cloud Journey. In this session, we are going to unlock some serious Linux power tools like grep, regex, and pipes. With just grep, pipes, and some regex, you can do powerful real-time text analysis, debug faster, and manage system efficiently, all from your terminal. So before starting, we'll see some system monitoring and management commands. So let's begin the tutorial. If you give the command, so if you want to see all the process of the system, simply give the command ps-ef. You can see here process ID, user ID, time, command. Now we'll clear the screen. And if you want to see the real-time dynamic view of all the running the process, simply give the command stop. So here you can see process ID, user. So it's dynamic view. Now we'll clear the screen. So if you want to see the available disk space storage, simply give the command df. And if you give dash h, it will print in human readable format. So here you can see size 1.9 GB and use 0 mounted on. And now if you want to see which directory we are working, simply give the command pwd. So here we are in /home/submit. Now we'll clear the screen and we'll see what is grep. So basically grep stands for global regular print expression print. So first we'll see the syntax. Suppose I have created a file. So I have file that I will show you what I have print. I have all the data in it. Welcome.txt. So if you go inside this file, see here I have put some data. So we'll play around this data. So I will exit from this file. Now if you want to search for a string in a file, so in this file welcome.txt. So first we'll see the syntax. Like if you give the syntax grep and we'll provide string. I'm writing the first syntax, then I will write the code and provide the file name. File name. So this is the syntax to search for a string in a file. So let's say we want to search for a string Linux in our file. Give Linux and give the file name welcome.txt. And if you print enter, not print like press enter. So here you can see welcome to the Linux tutorial and it's in red here. We'll see more command. So another use case, like if you want to ignore the case sensitive, so give the command grep -i and provide the it will provide Linux in uppercase and give the file name welcome.txt. So it is spelling mistake Linux Li. So now we'll press enter. Here you can see it ignore the case. Now we see some more use cases. So if you want to count how many lines in the file welcome.txt contain the string Linux, so give the command, not command like the syntax, grep -c, c stand for counts, give the command Linux and give welcome, give the file name simply welcome.txt. See, it print 1. So we'll see another use case. Suppose we want to search for the line that contain exact matching word. So I will show you with example, then you will understand more. Suppose if I give grip and W, and if you want to search for the word cell, SHELL, cell, and give the file name welcome.txt and press enter. Here you can see print the exact word cell. So using this W, you can search for the exact matching word. Now we'll see some regex command with grep. So print enter, give grep. I am using regex command. So if I give, this is called caret anchor pattern. And if we give the file name, no, first we'll give L. I will explain. First I will add the command welcome.txt. So this will print the line beginning with certain character. So here I have provided the L. So press enter. So see here, it prints the character which begin with L. Let's start learning. And now if you want to display the line that ends with that letter, suppose some letter T. So write the command grep T and provide the dollar and give the file name simply welcome.txt. See in the here JavaScript and last word is T. So in this way you can use regex with grep. Now we'll see pipe with grep. So pipe, you have seen many places this pipe. So I will give you some basic example. If you do ls dash l and provide pipe and grep txt. I will explain once I will write the code. So and press enter. Here you can see. So basically ls-l. So it will list file with detailed information like permission, ownership, size, data, date, etc. And the pipe operator send ls-l output to the grep. Here we can see ls-l. After that I provided pipe. So this will send the output to the grep, and grep will show only the line that contain txt. So here you can see it will print. Now we'll see another some more advanced command. Cat welcome dot txt provide pipe head. Once I will write, then I will explain the command. Till 5 dash 5 5 press enter. So let's first understand how it's work. So cat welcome dot txt. So it will output the entire contents of the file, and after that I have written head -7. So this will take the first 7 line of the output, and then tail -5. So then this will take the last 5 lines from those 7, which are the line 3 to 7 of the original file. So I will clear this screen. Now we'll see some more commands. If we give command ps aux pipe awk and curly braces print dollar $1 comma $2 comma $11 and close the bracket and with the folder. Now if we press enter, not working. Oh, it's what? So here $1. So it will spread who user who started the process. Here you can see user root Samir in the last, and the $2 is the process ID. You can see PID 12798 340 and the $11 that started the commands. Here you can see commands like init and network ID, Grafana. So PSOX list all the process running in detail. And here we use AWK to extract and print the specific columns. Now we'll see two more commands. So if we give command lsof, so what is meant? It will print all the open files, list of open file. See that much files I got. So in this way you can play with other commands. So in the next video we'll see networking commands. So that's all from this video. Thank you.